If your jollof rice never tastes as good as you want, stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly what I do to get rich, smoky, delicious jollof every time. Benedict's table, where every meal is made with love. For our smoky jollof recipe today, we will be using basmati rice, chopped onion, some garlic, rosemary, ginger, some thyme, tartar shade, scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, onion, tomato paste, some vegetable oil, paprika, and seasoning powder. Here is one secret to achieving this smoky flavor. First, you need to roast your tomato mix. So this is a combination of the tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, tartar shade, garlic, ginger, and onion. Roast this in an oven if you have, or in a pan if you do not have an oven, and this is exactly what it looks like. And then we blend. This tomato mix already has a very sweet and then smoky flavor that tastes so good. Okay, now we're going to be frying this. You start by sauteing your onion, and then you go in with some bay leaf, your thyme and rosemary. All this adds flavor to this jollof. So you go in with your tomato paste, you fry this as well, and then next we will be adding our tomato mix, the blended tomato mix. I can smell the lovely and delicious flavor already. You fry this for a few minutes, and next you go in with your paprika. Stir this some more and allow to fry, and then you discover that the color has changed from that very bright color to a kind of darker shade. And at this point we'll be adding our seasoning powder. We're using a chicken seasoning powder, some salt to taste, yes, and then stir this. Go in with your stock. Yeah, I'm using my beef stock, and then if you have chicken stock, you can go goat meat, goat stock, you can go with it, whichever stock or flavor you like. You stir this, allow this to boil some more, and then at this point we will be going in with our rice, our already parboiled rice. If you've been watching this video from the beginning, you'll discover that preparing smoky jollof is way too easy. It's not as difficult as you think it is. So you stir this and then cover and allow to cook. Mind you, you need to stir this occasionally, you get, so that every single grain of rice will be properly cooked. Now at this point, we've not gotten what we want. We need to stir this some more, and then we would cover with foil and smoke. So this is the part where that smoky flavor is being imparted. You need to cover this with a foil paper and smoke this on high heat. Okay guys, at this point our jollof rice has been fully smoked, and you can see how delicious, tasty. Guys, the aroma is just something else. You can perceive it here, but I don't know how to describe it. It smells so good. Like the smoky flavor has filled this room already. If you've watched to this point, please do not forget to give this a thumbs up, you share this video, watch and subscribe to it. And also, I would like to hear from you. if you will be trying this recipe, and if eventually you do, just let me know how it went. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Until my next video, bye.